Good evening, lordies and gentleboobs, and welcome to the first annual Full Moon Debates. My name is William Shakespeare, aka Billy Shakes, and we are here tonight to sort out the questions of our age.
I'm ready to take down some neo-Nazi scum!
Should Donald Trump be impeached? First, we will have Mooney with the anti-impeachment argument. Mooney?
Is this on? Could we be experiencing the very first media coup d'etat? Can the media produce propaganda to make the populace rise up against the president using fake news? We need solid proof before we impeach.
Thank you, Mooney. And now we turn to Jojo, who is taking the pro-impeachment stance.
Donald Trump is orange. Orange is the color of a peach. Now, the word peach is plainly inside the word impeachment. Ipso facto, he should be impeached.
Peaches aren't orange. Peaches are pink. Oranges are orange.
You are comparing apples to oranges here.
You are redefining the color of the fruit,
I
sir.
believe that the content of a fruit should not be bound alone by the color of its skin.
Comparing oranges to
Gentlemen,
can't
calm
decide that
yourselves,
one
please.
day.
This is a clearly ad hominem. That was below the belt, sir. Below the belt. And so, after many, many hours of debate, we have come to the conclusion that a peach may be either orange or pink. Thus concludes our debate on whether or not Donald Trump should be impeached. Good night, everyone, and may God have mercy on us all.